Welcome back to Investing with Yukalo. I'm your host, Yukalo, and in this video I'm going to show you a live trade of a trade I did on my favorite FCEL. And today I'm going to show you another loss. I'm all about transparency, showing the wins and the losses on my journey to becoming a successful, consistent trader. So let's get straight into this video. So a bit of pre-market information. The Dow was looking a bit up and down, not really showing any clear direction, and FCEL was down about 5 to 7% pre-market, but it pulled back somewhat and it was down by 1%. So let's get straight into this video. As you can see, down about 3% and it's pulling back. I'm looking at 15 as my key number. So I was more short biased today, and I definitely made the mistake in having already a preset direction in my mind. But I was short biased, and it was just hanging around that $15 level. As it went on, it started to show me, okay, maybe it wants to stay below $15. As you can see, a rejection from 15. And then it pops through, but I wasn't quite convinced by this break of $15. So as we continue, it starts to become a larger pump. Now at this point, to be honest with you, of course with trading is probability, you win some, you lose some. This could have easily turned around, but this should have indicated to me that it's probably going to be a long situation, a direction in the upwards direction. But as we continue, now I still haven't entered my trade, as I wasn't too sure. It was basically going up and down. It wasn't showing any clear direction, and it was hanging around that $15 level, not showing, indicating is it going to go up or down. It's just kind of consolidating in this region. Now I have seen this pattern before, and to me it looked like a bearish pattern. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm thinking it's about to drop to the downside and go down. Now this is, as I'm learning throughout this journey in trading, this could easily have dropped to the downside. It's all about probability. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. I've seen a pattern like this before and it dropped to the downside. Now the mistake I made was I entered a bit too early. I should have waited for more confirmation for it to actually drop further below $15. But I was eager to get some maximum gains, and now it's going to start going against me. So again, I've seen this pattern before, and I've seen this drop to the downside. In this instance though, it did not. It carried on rallying further and further until it hit my stop. And it kept going, I think, past 15.30, potentially 15.45, and that is the trade. Now what I've learned from this, of course, is to wait for final confirmation. It's better to let it confirm and get a smaller percentage of profit than to go too early and lose out. The other thing I've also learned is the fact that, as I've said, I've seen this pattern before and it's gone to the downside. Now this time it's gone to the upside. So this is, as I said, a probability game. Some of them it will go your way, but some will not. No pattern is exactly the same. Every trade is unique. So that is what I've learned from this trade. And the other thing which I'm happy about, is the fact that I kept to my 2% stop loss. I did not revenge trade, even though the desire to revenge trade, to try and get the money back, was very, very strong. So a couple of things to take from this. I go again tomorrow. So I hope you got some value from that, and see you in the next video. Peace.